skuru ya ndaka ya MERU School o takamenyeria nionekanite kwandikithia Mpumi imbega baria skuru ino yonete arutwa 22 maria magwatite grade ya A na mena minisco ya 8.9 kiri arutwa 414 ni arutwa 44 ake makagatwanya kiri university. Skuru mutori ya KAAGA Girls nayo ni gwatite minisco ya 8.1 baria kiri arutwa 284 ni 38 ake matikona twanya kiri university muthuru murioki ena inu
muthuri na arua kagita kara minister wa kithomo ndene Kenya noezie kile machogu agwita Mpumi cha Kcse alitoba bengi ndene Kenya IBAGWETE ngoro batimenyethwa kiroto kiao kira barotete kithwa gikinyanira indi mabontu bubu ni kiri mwana omwe urokomekana Sharon Mwirigi aja nandi ni mwaka wa 2019 kagita kara thiriti kira skebinana na kuwata maxi 425 ena kila tukagwita skuli ya Las Girls.
Nilipata 425 na nilifanya mtihani KIRI boarding primary, and I'm hoping to join Alliance Girls High School. It's my dream school. I would like also to be an oncologist because there is an increasing number of cancer patients, and I would like to participate in reducing the number of patients of cancer.
Ntubo nandi pakinyanire na kwa miaka ena nandi etho skuru iji alamu thjo na arua etho akiona Mpumi cha A- na nande kwa kiroto kiawe kwa daktari kigethwa gikinyanira.
Yeah, after nimepata 425 KCP, I went to Alliance Girls High School and I have managed to get an A-. Yeah. Okay, my dream has always been to be an oncologist, and I hope to join UN to do oncology.
Tukwira mwathani bwega no rugendo rurunthe rurari rwa wetinya yetu muno. We thank God for that. Na itukwira mwathani bwega na ndebo kuarenda pursue medicine. Na undi there I'm very prepared for it.
Chukuru mwanya ndene no Imenti ni thithitie bwega twambiritie skuru ya ndaka ya MERU School ira ni barabara geragwa 414
ambugi tukenete tukenairwa na tuishokagire murunkatho nuntubotwa results ithongi MERU School asia twali na ARITWA 414 yani 414 na baba ni ana baba ingi muno bokalira kigerio rimwe kile ARITWA baba twina ARITWA 365 BAGWETE C+ witia iji ni umena 89% kana kiwango kia ARITWA 89% baraba umbite gwita university ARITWA beto bonze 414 out of 414 ibakalire kigerio kwa ugo toa misi nyomwe and uimagine ARITWA 414 baidhi ya practical chia chemistry ndenda budu gani ontobo bwana nontobongana bo kwa beto 100% badidire kigerio
nandi kuringana mwarimu nene Nwende Rutere agwitana baba nandi ni Mpumi chojo thaikiuma uyu
oau ambuge kiri grade A otemundu otendete grade A kana tima grade A twina ARITWA 22 grade A- twina ARITWA 68 B+ twina ARITWA 81 B plain twina ARITWA 86 B- twina ARITWA 58 C+ twina ARITWA 50 C plain ARITWA 27 C- 15 and D+ ARITWA bairi kuonania ARITWA baba bonde nibadidite bubwega kambuge itoshokeria murunkatho
kigoro gwitete skuru ya MERU School no wana bete bakiongereka
last year twali na ARITWA 325 this year kana mwaka juju twina ARITWA 414 that is 2023 2024 together twina ARITWA 490 kwa hiyo kwa namba yetu kaitite ile yate ikineneaga nonto tamaka juju nothi jojo athira twali na ARITWA 6 or 7 form 1 this year tweterete ARITWA nkurukie 750 kwa hiyo kwa ni ARITWA beta baidhi yate bakiongagi
kungenda ku ni skuru mutori ya KAAGA Girls kinyayo nandi yonekene gita Mpumi njega bakiongera grade yao.
This is an extra county school, but everyone in this country rates us as a national school. We compete very well with the national schools around. A minus 16, B plus 39, B 56, B minus 73, C plus 61, C 24, C minus 11, D plus 3, D1. This is subject to confirmation. That gives us a mean of 8.0809. This is an improvement from previous year where we had a mean of 7.60.
Kulingana mwalimu Nandi, kitunji kia 90 ponthe bakethwa bagitonya university.
We had a candidature of 284 students. Out of the 284, 243 got C plus and above. Wow. And honestly, would not say that we have any wasted grade, because even the C that are 24 and the C minus 11, they still be able to find some place in the tertiary.
Muthuri Muriuki, World TV, Mutiro Jokangangi.